Hi everybody, this is Kateri, and today I'd like to share this journey with you. My new song, Show Up, Show Me, was born from a desire to trust the path God has placed before me, even when I cannot see every step ahead. For a long time, I tried to hold the pieces together, to understand the plan, and to control the outcome. But this prayer came from my reminder that God's way is greater than my own, and that peace comes when I allow His purpose to unfold. I am sharing this prayer with you through song in hopes that it meets you wherever you are on your journey. If you're learning to trust, release, and walk by faith, I invite you to join me in the flow.